Welcome to the in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store, and here in the search we'll enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we just should open the app here, so just tap here to open, click yes I agree, click close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now here we can see the section was our battery health. In our case it's good, and also we can see here the another information about our battery temperature, the level, capacity, voltage, and other info like the model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.